So I wanted to talk about using Premiere Pro with multiple monitors, but also using Screencap software for tutorials and other things. So right now this is my basic workspace, but I do have an extended monitor. What I like to do is pop the program out, undock panel, and then I would drag this over to my second desktop. And then that leaves a lot more space for me to have plenty of room with my timeline and also my sequence effects. However, when I'm doing a tutorial, that is just not that great because I can't capture two monitors at once. So to show you how to pop this back in or redock this undocked panel, see here there's no way to say I want to redock it. So what you do is click on the name of the window you've undocked, and then that'll allow you to put it where you want to put it. And to put it back where it was, you want to put it right there, and that's back. So once again, undock panel, and then to redock it, grab the window name. There. We can do that with the effects controls. If you're doing a lot of keying and you have a ton of keyframes, that'll give you more space to work. And then here, click on the name and pop it back in right there. So if you're working with multiple monitors and you need to go back to a single monitor to record your desktop and you just have things all over the place, instead of trying to put everything back where it was, which could become a hassle, you can go to Window, Workspaces, and reset to save layout. And that gets me back to my single monitor layout. Now, once you have a single monitor layout that you like, if you go back to Window and Workspaces, you can save this as a new workspace, and I'm not going to save it because it reverts to the last saved. So you can see that this workspace is called laptop monitor, so I know that I'm on my single laptop for screen recording. If you go into Window, Workspaces, and Edit Workspaces, you can reorder everything that shows up on here. So if I want this up top, let's say I've had all the learning I need, you can drag this to Do Not Show. If you want your editing first, it's pretty easy. I'm gonna put this back just in case I need it.